Hello friends. So this is a very important question for DBA and developer. What is service broker? So guys, if you know the answer, please like. If you not do not know the answer of this about the service broker, please comment and like and subscribe my channel. So service broker is a framework that help application to exchange messages that can that contains the information required to complete the task. It was introduced in 2005 SQL Server version. It is used to implement native database synchronous message processing functionalities. It introduces a number of few technologies that are as follows, that is message, it is a piece of information that exchange between applications. Conversations, it is a reliable, persistent, synchronous exchange of messages. Dialogue, it is a conversation between two services like message services, email services. Okay. A initiator, it is a participant that start a dialogue. Target, it is a participant that accept the dialogue start in the in by initiators. Conversation group is a group related to conversation. Contract, it is an agreement between two services about the type of message allowed in the conversation. Services, it is particular task that send message or receive messages. Queue, it store messages of particular services. So this is about the SQL Server Service Broker. If you do not know the answer, please like and comment and subscribe my channel and share to your buddy mates. Okay, because it is a series of interview question of SQL Server. Okay, it will very helpful to you all. Thank you for watching.